Welcome back to Egadget, your destination for discovering clever innovations that make everyday life smarter, easier, and more efficient. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for campers, travelers, van lifers, and anyone who values comfort and preparedness on the go. The TRIPTIPS Upgrade Retractable Portable Toilet. This is more than just a portable potty. It's a height-adjustable, multifunctional, space-saving solution designed for adults and kids alike. Whether you're deep in the woods or stuck in highway traffic, this tiny but mighty gadget could be your new best travel companion. So stay tuned as we review, test, and break down whether this foldable portable toilet lives up to the hype. The TRIPTIPS portable toilet makes a surprisingly strong first impression right out of the box. The design is sleek and modern, with a compact cylindrical form that doesn't immediately suggest it's a toilet, which is actually a good thing for discreet travel use. Weighing just 2.75 pounds and fitting snugly into its waterproof carrying bag, it feels well thought out from a portability standpoint. Despite its lightweight nature, it doesn't feel cheap. The matte plastic surface and clean construction suggest that it's built for functionality, with aesthetics kept simple and neat. Looking more closely at the construction, the TRIPTIPS toilet uses a modified ABS plastic that feels extremely durable without being overly rigid. The design incorporates 70 individual locking buckles along the sides of the unit, which give it impressive structural integrity once fully expanded. Unlike some flimsy alternatives on the market, this toilet holds its shape solidly, and during our testing, it didn't budge even when placed on uneven surfaces. The non-slip base adds to its reliability outdoors, and the claimed 380-pound weight capacity feels realistic based on how firm and stable the unit remains when in use. It's clearly engineered to withstand real-world wear and tear. One of the standout features of the TRIPTIPS portable toilet is its height-adjustable design, which sets it apart from most other portable toilet options. Using a unique fish scale structure, the unit can be adjusted through 8 height levels, ranging from a compact 3.2 inches up to 13 inches at full extension. This means it can cater to users of all sizes, whether it's a child who needs a lower seat or an elderly person who prefers a higher one for easier sitting and standing. It adapts to the user rather than forcing the user to adapt to it, and that versatility makes it a rare find in the world of travel potties. The TRIPTIPS toilet is impressively simple to use. To expand it, all you need to do is pull it up and twist clockwise until it locks into place at your desired height. Each level clicks securely, and it becomes rock solid when fully extended. Before sitting, it's important to ensure all the buckles are locked, which is easy to check visually. When you're done, a simple twist in the opposite direction collapses it back into a flat disc, ready to be stored. This entire process takes only a few seconds once you're familiar with the motion, making it perfect for quick bathroom breaks in remote or unpredictable environments. From a portability standpoint, the TRIPTIPS toilet is a winner. When collapsed, it's incredibly compact, small enough to fit into a backpack, suitcase, or even under a car seat. The included waterproof carrying case is rugged, easy to wipe clean, and designed to handle outdoor conditions like rain or mud. This makes it ideal not only for campers and hikers, but also for travelers, truckers, and families who are always on the move. Its lightweight structure means it can be carried by kids and seniors alike without trouble. You don't need a van or RV to use this, it's made for everyone. Beyond serving as a portable toilet, the TRIPTIPS model features a cleverly designed lid that transforms the unit into multiple tools. When the lid is closed, it can be used as a small stool for sitting around a campfire or waiting in line. It also works surprisingly well as a makeshift side table or a quick storage container for camping gear, snacks, or emergency supplies. With a trash bag liner, it functions as a reliable and sanitary trash bin. This all-in-one versatility means you're not just investing in a toilet, but in a practical multi-use tool that can adapt to a wide range of outdoor and emergency scenarios. In real-world use, the TRIPTIPS toilet proves its value quickly. During a recent camping trip, it was placed on rocky and slightly damp ground, but still held firm without sliding or tipping. We also tested it on a long road trip, and it came in handy during a major traffic jam where public restrooms weren't available. Parents found it especially useful for kids, providing a sanitary and private bathroom option without the stress of searching for clean facilities. Even in an indoor setting, such as during plumbing repairs or power outages, it performed as a dependable backup toilet. These practical tests revealed how adaptable and valuable this tool really is across different lifestyles and environments. After several days of consistent use, we noticed several strengths and a few areas that could be improved. On the positive side, the TRIPTIPS toilet is sturdy, lightweight, highly portable, and offers adjustable comfort for people of all sizes. Its multifunctional design gives it utility beyond the bathroom, and setup is both fast and intuitive. However, it doesn't come with a built-in privacy tent or screen, which may be a downside for users in open or public areas, though such accessories can be purchased separately. Additionally, while the twist and lock mechanism is generally straightforward, first-time users might need a minute to get comfortable with aligning and locking the structure properly. These are minor issues compared to the overall benefit it brings. When it comes to price and value, the TRIPTIPS retractable portable toilet offers a lot of functionality in a very compact package. Compared to other camping toilets in its class, it punches above its weight with added features like adjustable height, durable construction, and multifunctional use. Many products on the market either lack versatility or compromise on build quality, but this one manages to balance both. For anyone who regularly travels, camps, hikes, or just likes to be prepared for emergencies, this product delivers outstanding value and reliability at a reasonable cost. Thanks for sticking around to the end of our review here on Techegadget. The TRIPTIPS Upgrade retractable portable toilet truly lives up to its reputation as a game-changing gadget for travel, outdoor adventures, and emergency use. Its adjustable height, foldable design, and multifunctional features make it more than just a toilet. It's a compact survival companion. If you're interested in picking one up or learning more, check the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gear reviews. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep exploring with Techegadget.